Welcome. If you've ever wanted to look back at all your Instagram posts from your PC, the latest Instagram update makes it easier than ever. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to find your entire post history right from your computer. No more endless scrolling or switching between devices. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log in with your account details if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a vertical menu with several icons and options. From this menu, click on the one labeled Menu. This will expand a new set of choices for you. Next, scroll down and select Your Activity. This section is your personal hub for everything you've done on Instagram. Inside Your Activity, look for the Photos and Videos section. Under this, you'll find the option called Posts. Go ahead and click on Posts. Now you'll see a complete list of all the posts you've ever shared on your Instagram account. If you're looking for something specific, you can use the sort and filter options at the top. Choose a date or a range to narrow things down and instantly locate the post you want. Whether you're searching for a favorite memory, a milestone, or just want to review your content, everything is organized and easy to browse. That's it! With just a few clicks, you can now access your entire Instagram post history directly from your PC. Thanks to the new update. No more fumbling through your phone or guessing when you posted something. Give it a try and rediscover your favorite moments in just seconds. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips for making the most of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.